In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a read-only channel on Discord, a channel where members can only read messages and are not able to send any messages at all. This type of channel is especially useful for things like server rules, announcements, or important information. To get started, open the Discord app on your computer. Then, join a server where you are the owner or have administrator permissions. First, let's create a channel. Click on the plus icon to add a new channel. For the channel type, select Text Channel. In the channel name, I'll type Read Only, but you can choose any name you want. Then, click Create Channel. The channel has now been created. To make it Read Only, click on Edit Channel by selecting the gear icon next to the channel name. In the left side menu, click on Permissions. Scroll down until you find the Send Messages option and click the X to disable it. After that, click Save Changes. This will prevent all other members from sending messages in the channel. Now we can close this window and go back to the channel. As you can see, since I'm the server owner, I can still send messages. However, other members of the server won't be able to send anything. This makes the channel perfect for posting server rules or important announcements. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a like.